Students, we'll discuss sums in regular expressions. What is the question? Obtain a regular expression. RE stands for regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having length 2. Having length 2. Write down. From this question, I can write my sigma. Sigma is nothing but A and B. And you know regular expression is combination of symbols from sigma and your operators. You can have either plus or dot or star, any operator, right, based upon the condition. Right, all this regular expression sums, it is just one line answer. Expression, you know, it will be just one line. Right, so what is the regular expression? Regular expression, see, if my sigma is A and B, what are the possible strings with length 2? What are the possible strings with length 2? My sigma is A, B, right? So, A, right? I can have A, B, I can have B, A or B, B. So, with A and B, only this four strings are possible with length 2. Only these four strings are possible with length 2. So, how can I write this regular expression? It is AA or it is AB or it is BA or it is BB. Right? I can write like this, or I can write A plus B 2 times. Right? You multiply this AA or AB or you get BA or BB. You get the same answer. So, either you can write like this or you can write like this. Right? Otherwise, you can write A plus B how many times? 2 times. Right? So, your answer either you can write in this form or in this form or in this form. All three are correct. Students, we will discuss one more sum. Second sum is obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having length less than or equal to 2. Having length less than or equal to 2. Right, less than or equal to 2 means I can have strings of length equal to 2 or equal to 1, or it can be an empty string. Right? Less than or equal to 2 means 2 length is possible, 1 length is possible, even 0 length is possible. Right? So how will I write this 0 length? 0 length means no string. It is an empty string. So how will I represent this empty string? Using epsilon. Or what is my sigma here? A and B. I can have strings of length 1 or length 1. 2 strings are possible. Or I can have strings of length 2. That is AA, AB plus BA plus BB. These are the possible strings. Right? Now my regular expression, either I can write like this, or what you can do is like, you can write epsilon plus A plus B. Since it is less than or equal to 2, how many times? I should repeat this 2 times. Right? This is the answer. Suppose if your question is length less than or equal to 10. How will you write your regular expression? Whenever you see this length less than or equal to, less than means 10 length is possible, 9, 8, 7, 6 up to 1 is possible, and even 0 is also possible. How will I represent this null string? Right, using my epsilon. So what you have to do, you have to write epsilon plus, since your sigma is A and B Epsilon plus A plus B. How many times? I should repeat this 10 times. Hope you got it. If it is 2, right, this is equal to epsilon plus A plus B. Epsilon plus A plus B. Right, I have combined, I have written like this. Right, otherwise, right, 10. If you are not writing in a single expression, you have to, if you are writing like this, how many times you are supposed to write? 10 times. So instead of writing like this, combine and write as a single expression. So regular expression is epsilon plus A plus B the whole power 10. If it is 5, length less than or equal to 5, how will you write your regular expression? Epsilon plus your sigma is A and B only. Right? So A plus B, how many times? It is 5 times. Hope it is clear. Students, we will discuss one more sum. Obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having even length. Right? Having even length. So what is the meaning? Length of my string, it should be even. Right? It can be 2, 4, 6. Length of my string, it can be 2. Length, it can be 4. Length, it can be 6. It should be of even length. Right? So, to get even length, you know, if I want strings of length 2, you know how to write the regular expression we have seen. Right? So, A plus B, if I write twice, right, I will get strings of length 2. I will get strings of length 2. Right? But this will give you only strings of length 2. Right? Suppose if I want 4, what should I do? This 2, I have to repeat it. Right? For star. Right? So, if I want string of length 2, the star takes, right, 1. Right? So, only one time I will repeat it. If I repeat this for 2 times, right, I will get strings of length. This you write 2 times. A plus B, A plus B. This is 1 time. Right? If you write 1 more time, you will get strings of length 4. If you write 1 more time, you will get strings of length 6. Likewise, it goes on. So, this is the regular expression for strings of even length. Strings of even length. Suppose, if I want strings of odd length, if I want strings of odd length, how to do? For odd length, what should I do? Even when it is multiplied with the odd number, I'll get odd length. Right? Suppose this is my even length. Right? This string will give you, this expression will give you strings of length 2. Right? If I put a star, it will give strings of even length. If I multiply this even length of strings with A plus B 1 more time, I'll get odd length of strings. I'll get odd length of strings. Right? Suppose if star takes null, right? So this complete thing it becomes empty. What is remaining? A plus B. Right? So length is 1. I am getting strings of length 1. Suppose if star takes 1. So I have to write this for only 1 time. Right? With this I have this A plus B already. Right? You know when I multiply these two, what are the possible combinations? is the possible combination. Right? Now I am writing this A plus B one more time. Now you multiply, check whether you are getting strings of odd length. Right? Take this, multiply. A, odd length. Then multiply with B. A, B. Then take this and multiply. A plus B. Right? And it goes on. So, even length of string, when it is multiplied with the odd length, right? I'll get odd length of strings. So, which is your answer? For odd length, this is the answer. Even length of strings. Since it is even length of strings, right? I have this star operator. Multiplied with A plus B will give you the odd length of strings. Right?